Fashion is a passion, and I love DIY, and I love doing creative things with so many different things, but especially with my clothes. Jeans are the main staple of my wardrobe, and these jeans here, because I did DIY in them, there's some paint splatters, and I thought, you know what? I want to do something real creative with them. Hi there, I am Poppin' PJ, and I purchased this fabric paint. It's the color blue. And you can get any color that you want. This brand is TULIP. It's color shot fabric paint, and it says matte blue. I have this doily type of fabric that has the little zigzagged edge, and I'm going to do something really fun using that. Laying my jeans out on some cardboard so hopefully I don't spray paint my driveway. Placing the doily piece at the top of the jeans. Shake, shake, shake. I am putting a piece of paper over the zigzag portion of the doily because I don't want that shape spray painted on this portion of the jeans just yet. So here you go. You can see me spray painting. I absolutely love this color blue too. Moving the paper out of the way. Going to move the doily down to the next spot on the jeans. But look how cool this came out. I love it. I love this dark blue on top of the color blue of the jeans. It looks great. So with bringing it down, I'm skipping a spot. So the entire pair of jeans is not going to be spray painted, but a good portion of it is. You'll see. Here's what it looks like up close. That blue, I just love it. I am going to spray paint the other leg too, of course. Now here's a close-up of how pretty this looks on the jeans. Oh my gosh, it came out better than I even hoped. It even looks pretty on cardboard. That makes me even think about doing a canvas with this technique or something. So I do want the zigzag to show on the jeans, and to do that I'm using some pieces of paper to fill in the triangular portion there that you see so that I don't spray paint the jeans, so that you can see a little bit of that zigzag look. It probably won't be super obvious, but it'll show up a little bit. Okay, let's remove the doily piece and see what it looks like. I love it. This is what the bottom of the pants look like. The cardboard looks good too. I didn't quite cover the bottom of the leg on the left so well, but I think these flaws and the asymmetry is what makes fashion and just all kind of things look good. I like the flaws. Now this is the back of the jeans. The color came out darker than on the front side, but again, it's gonna look good. This fashion DIY is so easy, and I like easy, I like fun, I like unique. This is a nice close-up of the pattern from the doily. And you can use anything, stencil, whatever you like. I just saw this piece of doily laying around and I just thought it was really cool, and this idea came to my mind. And here I am, just walking a little bit so that you can see the front. As I turn around here, you can see the back. Now the back side is a little darker. The design didn't come out quite as good as the front, but I like it. I like the flaws. I think that they are super fun, and I'm excited to wear them. I think you should make some too, because they are poppin'.